Mina olen Emeli, mina töötan Genius Sportsist, haldan seal Tallinna kontorit ja täna olen mina ROI kliendipäeval. Täna tutvustatakse meile uusi tooteid. Võimalus on ka katsuda igasuguseid põnevaid tooteid, mida võib-olla pole varem jõudnud oma käega päris katsuda. Kõike, mida vaja, mänguasjadest, mütside, jopedeni, T-särgid, kõik kotid.
I'm Katalin from XD Connect. ROI knows also our products, our collection very well. Today also I'm here with our new products and novelties. We are known for our quality and our design and our efforts to make a lower impact on the environment, and that is also what this collection also are representing. I strongly believe that there is much more to come, and we are on this road together.
Hello everybody, pleased to meet you. My name is Kai Malmström and I'm working for Danish company Identity. We have winter jackets, we have t-shirts, we have sweaters, we have all kind of, let's say, everyday use textiles for the work and for the leisure. Very nice to meet new people, new faces, and that's the day that we can do together ROI and ID Identity.
ROI on olnud suurepärane, väga professionaalne ja kauaaegne koostööpartner. Meie koostöö on olnud suurepärane. Olen väga rahul ja jätkame edasi suure hooga.
Jätkame suure hooga edasi.